Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at a case for the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Now, of course, finding a good case for this device is not always easy. They have a lot of them out there, but some of them don't fit well. They slide around, they don't look good, and they feel cheap. All right, the ones that do cost more money, just too expensive. So, been kind of looking for that perfect case for this device. All right, so we're gonna check this one out to see how it looks and how it feels on the device. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, you can get this case from Amazon. It's the LEIAU compatible with Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 case, leather hybrid PC, built-in magnetic kickstand, 2-in-1 all-inclusive shockproof case. All right. Now, I don't know if I pronounced the name right for that company, but hopefully it is. If it's not, please forgive me. But here's some pictures of the case right here. It's got a little leather back kickstand on there. I like that kickstand. It's good to have that for the Z Fold 3. It's supposed to be pretty shallow, but enough depth to cover the camera and the screen. We'll see that. Now, this costs $27.99 for this one. They got different ones. You got a blue one, got a green one, pink, and it is on Prime. All right. Now, I'll put the link in the description for this if you want to get it. Okay. Now, here's the box that comes in. Always believe that something wonderful is about to happen. We'll see. All right. Designed for mobile life. Not a whole lot of branding on here. Shenzhen, made in China. All right. Minimal box right there. Let's pull this out. We got two little plastic packages in here. Nothing else in there. And this is the front cover. Now, it says it has the tear off front and rear shell anti-skid strip, so they got a little tape on there inside. That's the front piece right there, and then this is the back piece right here. I don't see any tape on this. This usually doesn't slide around pretty much. It's that top piece that slides around a lot. All right, put it to the side. So you got a polycarbonate matte case feel right here to the front. You got a little air gap right there. You got your opening for your speaker and your mic right there, and opening for a speaker on the bottom. And then this is the inner piece right here. And then that little tape strip is right there, if you can see that. You peel that off so you can have some place to stick on the device. Now this is the back, and I like the way this looks, so that's why I got this. Got that leather look right there, and you got a little kickstand right here. It's got a magnetic clip right there, so it clips in pretty good. Got a little detail around the camera, if you can see that. It's a little silver detail right there. A little protection around the camera glass right there, so that's pretty cool. And it's got a matte feel to the side right here, no gap right there, so that's pretty cool. And all of this is open. I like that, and because sometimes this doesn't always fit well on the side of the Fold 3, and it's kind of moving around and clicky and noisy sometimes. So I like that this is all open, where the bottom, where the volume buttons and the power button is at. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Opening for the charging port. You got a mic right there, and you got two mics up top. All right. This feels pretty good in the hand right now, even though I don't have this on. It feels pretty good quality. All right, so we're gonna get the Z Fold 3 and put this on and see what it looks like. Okay, so we're gonna peel this little tape off right here. You can see the little tape gap right there. It's nice that they had that there. So peel this off. All right, and then we're gonna get the Z Fold 3 and we're gonna put this on. Hopefully this fits well. So you got this inner piece that goes on top right here. All right. And then that sticks like that. So a nice matte look to that right there. And it's not too high, not raised up too high. So I get annoyed by the ones that are raised up real high and you're trying to slide your finger around on the side like this. That's annoying to me. This one is not too bad, all right? So I like that matte look right there, okay? Now, we'll get the back piece, put this on to the back. All right. Now, this has a nice look to it. You got the matte look right there. It's all open on the side right there on the bottom. You got an opening up top for, well, there's really nothing there where the antenna is right there, but antenna bands are open. That's good because, tape that need to be put on this on the side to make it stick. So that's pretty good. I like that. And you see the camera look right there, nice, and it's all protected. You can see that, slide right across it, real nice. That's a nice touch right there. And you got the kickstand right here. So if you're just looking at a video right here, you can watch that like that. And you can also open this up and use it this way as well, all right? So you can watch videos that way. So that stands up real nice, all right? That's the only position you can stand it up in. This kickstand is not that durable or that solid where you can put it in any position. That's the position you put it in, all right? But I like the way this feels. This feels really good on the back. This little leather area right here. Nice feel to it. So it gives you grip. So no problem there. And this is what it looks like. Not raised up too high, but it's a little bit. It's not as good as the Samsung. The Samsung is the best as far as not having too much raised area around the front screen, but it does protect the front screen, okay? And the camera is well protected. So I like this case. It's not too thick, but it got good grip and it looks nice, all right? Nice executive look, all right? So when you're at work, you pull this out, you're gonna look pretty decent. See all that right there? Everything lines up on the bottom. You can see that. Mic hole right there, speaker lines up. Get your mic holes up top. Right here, speaker lines up there, so it looks good. All right, here's what it looks like on the side right there. When you open it up, the back, everything fits good right there. Let's see if it rocks when you're writing. So not too bad. So it's the way it's sitting. It won't be rocking when you're writing, okay? So I like that. A little bit, not too much. That did a good job with that. So I like this. So I think I'll be using this for a while. Nice slim case with a kickstand. This is great, okay? Let's check out wireless charge, see how that works. Okay, here's the wireless charger. Let's put this on. Let's see what happens. So picked up wireless charge right there. Let's go ahead and stand this up. See what we get. So picked up wireless charge standing up, and we're gonna lay this down and see what happens there. So picked up wireless charge laying down as well. So wireless charge works in all positions. That's great. So the case works well with wireless charge, all right? Okay, so that was a quick look at the leather kickstand case for the Galaxy Z Fold 3 made by LEIAU. All right, now it's a nice case. I like the way it feels so far. I'm gonna try it out for a little while this weekend and see how it goes. I think I'm gonna like this case because I like the way it feels. I like the kickstand, I love that. And it's not too intrusive on the front when you're trying to slide your finger around the front screen, okay? So if you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ, out.